Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. We can do it by double tapping on the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Now swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should first option you see, it should be this icon right here, the crossed out moon icon. That's the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Tap on it, and in this menu, to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the switch like this, and once you go back, the Do Not Disturb mode icon in the settings will change to normal icon. It won't be crossed out anymore. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can simply tap on the back arrow right here to go back to the watch face, and now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply go through the same steps. So open the menu, enter the settings, and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on the switch to disable the mode, and then go back like this. And that's how you enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.